Welcome to UCH English class.
Hi students, I hope all the students are pretty good. Okay, fine. Then shall we move on to the lessons? 6th standard in English book there are 3 parts in each unit. The 3 parts are prose, poem and supplementary. First we are going to learn prose. Are you all interested to learn? Okay, let's move on to the lesson. First lesson is about sports star. So students, shall I ask some questions before going into the lesson? Who all likes to play sports? Which type of sports do you like to play? Who is your favorite player? Why? Here in the Sports Star, both Aisha and Madhi are enjoying playing games and sports. So shall we join them? Come, let's join them. In this Sports Star lesson, there is a warm-up activity. Shall we do? Okay. Now students are not in the classroom at present, so you can do with your families. So in your houses, if there is a brother, sister, or your mother, father, make anyone to stand in front of you, each one facing each other. The one should do a sports in action, so that the person who is standing before you will react what you did without any noise, and the person who is sitting should find which sport are you doing. For example, you can do passing the ball, kicks for karate, bowling the ball, batting, etc. Okay, now shall we go on to the lessons? Okay, I'll teach only section 1 in this video and section 2 in another video. I'll put videos regularly. Okay, in section 1, before going into the lesson, students, you should read this text before I teach, so that you can understand very well. It also helps you to get practiced for reading and listening also. Okay, listen to me carefully and then answer what questions I ask you. Okay, this is a diary account of a schoolboy, and I'll ask you some questions in this. Okay, each day is a new beginning. It has so much to unfold, and I had the best day at school today. Cricket is something that I love. Today, my teacher told us that we would be learning about a cricketer. I thought of Sachin, Virat Kohli, and many other male players in the Indian cricket team. But she introduced Mithali Duraraj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of the Indian women's cricket team in tests and one-day international ODIs. I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my little sister play cricket with me. I would tell her, it's not for you. You had better play with girls. However, I was taken by surprise when I learned that Mithali started to play the game at the age of 10, and that she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. In this, the boy tells each day is a new beginning. Yes, every day is a new beginning. So that boy also feeling it is a new beginning, and he tells that he had a best day at school today. So and he tells that he it has so much to unfold. So everyone will be learning many new lessons and experiencing, and will be learning throughout the day. So the small boy also is learning a new things in that day. So he tells cricket is something that I love. So he loves cricket very much, and on that day his teacher was also telling that he is going to teach them about the cricket. So as soon as the teacher told, the small boy thought of Sachin and Virat Kohli and other male players in the cricket team. So the teacher introduced Mithali Duraraj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of the Indian women's cricket team in Test and One-Day International ODIs. As soon as the teacher tells, the boy gets surprised. He thinks, oh, he thinks that women could not play cricket so well. So he is surprised. When her little sister comes and play with him, he tells, "It is not for you. Go and play with girls." So he was surprised when his teacher tells that about Mithali Durairaj, and he learns that Mithali Durairaj starts to play at the age of 10 and she was selected in Indian cricket team at the age of 17. And then the next paragraph, Mithali lives in Hyderabad. I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. I felt very proud that she has been widely recognized and acknowledged. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in ODIs. Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. In fact, she is nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket, as she is presently the all-time leading run scorer for India in all formats including Tests, ODIs and T20s. I would love to quote what Mithali had to say about this compliment. She said, "On the one hand, being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. On the other, being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer." In this paragraph, Mithali, we are going to learn where Mithali lived. So Mithali lives in Hyderabad, and the little boy was interested to learn her mother tongue, that it was Tamil. So he felt proud that she has been widely recognized and acknowledged. And Mithali is the first player to score the 7 consecutive 50s, and she was nicknamed as Tendulkar of Indian women cricketers. So a small boy like to quote what Mithali has said in compliment. Mithali has said, "On one hand, being compared to Sachin is absolutely privileged. She is privileged that she has been compared with Sachin. But she thinks that she didn't achieve even a half of what he did for the country. On the other hand, being a woman cricketer, she thinks that people should know for her own identity rather than comparing a male cricketer." This is her compliments. And the next paragraph is, "She indeed is an inspiration to all of us. She actually started playing cricket with her brother. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the grounds where he practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came her way. Though it was a humble start, she managed to secure a name and a place for herself. Many of us think cricket is for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are on par with men in every field. The Government of India, in recognition of her contribution to cricket, conferred on her the Padma Shri Award." Now we are all inspired by Mithali Durairaj. So she actually started playing cricket with her brother. When she was a young girl, she used to go with her father to ground, and she used to take the ball and put when it come to her way. She stands outside the ground, and when they play the ball, when the ball comes out, she used to take it and put it inside. So that was a humble start for her, but she secured her name for herself, to manage herself. Many of us think that cricket is for only men, not for women, but she broke the barriers and she stood on her own leg, and she made the country proud that woman is equal to men. She proved it. So the Government of India gave her an award, Padma Shri Award, for the contribution of India, for the contribution of cricket conferred on her. And the next paragraph, "And I forgot to mention about the recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team. Mithali Raj and another woman player, Srimati Mandana, hit stylish half century, and India cruised a comfortable 9-wicket victory over South Africa in the second Women's T20 International on 23 of February 2018. Mithali anchored the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. So the boy forgot to mention about the recent achievement of India women cricket team. Mithali Raj and another woman player Srimati Mandana half centuries and India cruised to a comfortable 9-wicket victory of South Africa in second Women T20s International on 23/2018. So now that I am inspired by her and my attitude has changed, I certainly will be happy when my little sister follows her passion. And the little boy says now he is also inspired and his attitude also changed. So he will be happy for a little sister to follow on her passion. So all the students, have you all understood? So what are you learning from this lesson? In this lesson we could learn that women can also compete with men in all fields. That is the only one we can learn from this lesson. And women are not so weak to do everything. Women can also be achieved in everything. This Mithali Dureraj is a role model for all the girls to come up in life. So, shall I ask you some questions from this? Put a tick for the correct and wrong for the incorrect statement. Okay. The boy was so inspired by Mithali that he was happy for his sister to play cricket. A school-going girl writes the diary account. Mithali Raj is happy to be recognized as Tendulkar of India women cricket team. Women should not be compared with men in cricket, says Mithali. Mithali Raj was not encouraged to play cricket by her family members. Mithali is one of the women players to score 7 consecutive 50s. Mithali's mother tongue is Telugu. So, put a tick for the correct statement and wrong for the incorrect statement in the comment section. Thank you, students. If you like this video and if you think it is useful, like the video, comment it and subscribe it. Thank you.